Hey friends, so it's the Tuesday Health series on Food Talk with Sharon, and today we're going to make a soup. Now, whether you are on a keto diet or not, this is a damn delicious soup. I'm sure the kids will roll their eyes the moment I say it's broccoli again, but then trust me, this is really tasty. We're going to make a broccoli and cheddar soup today. But before we move on with the recipe, please remember to subscribe to my channel and do click that tiny bell icon too and turn on all notifications. So let's check out the ingredients first. To make this soup, we are first going to saute a few things. Now the best part of the soup is that we are not discarding any part of the broccoli. The stem is also chopped in and pureed together along with some of the other ingredients to make the base for the soup. Once your pan is hot, add the butter. And into this, let's first add some chopped garlic. Fry the garlic till it changes color. And next goes in some chopped onions. Once your onions have turned translucent, let's add the chopped broccoli stems. And into this, I'm also adding some part of the broccoli florets. This is what we will be pureeing to form the base for our soup. At this stage, you can add a tiny bit of salt too. So let's add some water to this. That steam will help the broccolis cook really well. Let's cover this and cook for 5 to 7 minutes till the broccoli is tender. The broccoli is cooked now. We'll take it off the heat and let it cool down a little. Once it cools down, I'll puree it in my mixie jar. If you feel like it's too thick, you can add a little bit of water at that stage. While the cooked broccoli is cooling, let's proceed with the rest of the process. So again, in goes some butter. So into this, I'm adding the remaining broccoli florets. We'll saute this till the broccoli pieces have a slight char on them. Now this adds to the crunch in the soup. If you don't prefer that, if you prefer a really creamy soup, then you can skip this step and instead add the entire florets and the stems together in the first step for cooking and pureeing it together. I like the flavor of the charred broccoli pieces, so that's the reason I add it like this in this soup. This is on a medium to high flame now. We'll let it sit there for half a minute to a minute till one side has a nice brown char to it, and then we'll stir it around. Let's sprinkle a tiny bit of salt too. Now look at this. These kind of pieces are what I love eating. So this is done now. The broccoli florets have such a bright and nice green color to it, and along with that char on the few edges as well. Into this goes in the puree that we have made. So I have added some water to make sure it's of this consistency. You can also strain the puree and add if you don't like this granular texture. So this will have a slight granular texture to it. If you don't prefer that, you can strain it and add. Into this goes some cream. So if you're on a keto diet, I'm sure you will have heavy cream available at home, so just use that. And the grated cheddar cheese. Let's also add some of the other seasonings. We've already added some salt earlier, so make sure you taste it and see if it needs more salt. Some pepper. And some chili flakes. Let this come to a boil and then you can turn it off. Make sure you have the soup piping hot.